Hello, class, and welcome to the second week of English 101 online for the winter session. Today, you're going to begin the health module, which is the next module that we'll be working on. You'll be learning a bit about the foods we eat, how they're processed, perhaps even sugars and organic foods and their role in our health, along with national policy of foods. Should we have a national policy? These are things you'll be kind of looking into with research and readings from the common readings. Speaking of the common readings, this week you do have quite a bit in the module to read about. We're starting off, I think, with the dirty secrets of the food processing industry and how a national food policy can change lives, and some videos. And you're also looking at, you're also going to be doing some work with the actual process of writing. So I'm on the January 9th calendar. Take a look at that and also look at the learning modules. I'll go to that very briefly. The learning modules on health are in folders. The information will be in folders, and you'll be kind of looking at these things that you'll be working on. Just a reminder that you'll be going to Lumen to do some of the activities. Let's see if I can find that. Here we go. You'll be reading about quoting, paraphrasing, and avoiding plagiarism to help you with this next essay, which is also a researched essay. You, of course, will be drawing from the common readings that we do in class, but you'll also be doing some research on your own. And also, I want you to review formatting the works cited page in MLA just to get some ideas about that. And then you'll have to do some practice on the discussion board for Lumen from the OER. You'll be doing a citing sources practice, I believe, and also you will be posting a bit on the from the readings. So this is the beginning of the health module. You're going to be doing a little bit of critical analysis. And as a reminder, please also respond to two other peers. And so work your way through the module. And of course, the module will end with you're having to do a researched essay in health. So good luck.